Hi guys, it's me making again, and today we're at a table that smells like sand again. Look at this dude. I can get the gator. Lemonade. Is that a real tomato? That's a real tomato. Table that smells like. Is that the girl from YouTube? Gator. Gator. Why can't I get? I want to get. Why can't I get? I want to get. This Subway. You mean table that smells like somebody's got a tasty arrow sandwich? There's an arrow sandwich. Hi, I would want one arrow sandwich. Cookie. I'm gonna leave. I am going to get the table that smells like sandwiches. Subway. You mean table that smells like sandwiches. End this video. Gatorade.